Look out at the horizon. What do you see? The vast expanse of the ocean stretches out before you, meeting the sky in a seamless blend of colours. The horizon is a place where dreams and reality merge, where the possibilities seem endless. Maybe a fishing boat or a sailboat. These vessels, though small, are a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore and harness the power of the sea. Each boat tells a story of adventure, of fishermen braving the waves and sailors navigating the winds. Now imagine something bigger, much bigger. Picture a colossal ship, its hull cutting through the water with ease, a floating city on the move. These giants of the sea are awe-inspiring in their scale and complexity. Giant ships cross our oceans every day. They are the lifelines of global trade, connecting continents and cultures. These behemoths carry goods that fuel our economies, from electronics to clothing, food to machinery. These ships are engineering marvels. The process of building them is a feat of human achievement, involving thousands of skilled workers and cutting-edge technology. Each ship is a masterpiece of design and engineering. They carry huge amounts of cargo. Imagine the logistics involved in loading and unloading these massive vessels, the precision required to ensure everything is in its place. It's a symphony of coordination and expertise. They transport people across vast distances. Cruise ships offer a unique way to travel, combining luxury with adventure. Ferries provide essential links between islands and mainland, making travel accessible and convenient. Some ships defend our shores. Naval warships and Coast Guard vessels are the guardians of our seas, ensuring our safety and security. They stand ready to respond to threats and emergencies, protecting our maritime borders. Others explore the unknown depths. Research vessels are at the forefront of oceanic discovery, uncovering the mysteries of the deep. They are equipped with advanced technology to study marine life, underwater geology, and the effects of climate change. Have you ever wondered how these giants are built? The shipbuilding process is a fascinating journey from concept to completion. It starts with a vision, a blueprint, and then the meticulous construction begins. Each stage is a testament to human creativity and perseverance, resulting in these magnificent vessels that traverse our oceans. Shipbuilding is like a giant puzzle. It starts with a blueprint. This blueprint is a detailed plan. It shows every part of the ship. Engineers carefully design each section. They think about the ship's purpose. Will it carry cargo? Will it transport passengers? Once the design is complete, the real work begins. Every ship starts as an idea. Someone needs to move something somewhere. This simple need sparks the shipbuilding process. First, naval architects step in. They are like the architects of the sea. Their job is to turn that idea into a plan. This plan is the ship's blueprint. Not all ships are created equal. Each ship is meticulously crafted with a specific purpose in mind, and this purpose influences every aspect of its design and construction. Some ships are built for speed. These vessels, like high-speed boats and racing yachts, are designed to cut through the water with minimal resistance. Their sleek aerodynamic shapes and powerful engines allow them to achieve impressive speeds, making them ideal for racing or quick transportation. Others are designed to carry heavy loads. Cargo ships and tankers are built with robust structures and large capacities to transport massive amounts of goods and equipment across vast distances. Their design prioritizes stability and strength to ensure they can handle the weight and remain seaworthy in various conditions. The ship's purpose dictates its design. Shipbuilders and engineers spend countless hours planning and discussing every detail, from the hull shape to the materials used, to ensure the vessel meets its intended function. This careful planning is crucial to creating a ship that performs efficiently and safely. A cargo ship, for example, needs a large flat deck. This expansive surface area allows it to carry numerous containers, maximizing its cargo capacity. The design also includes features like cranes and other loading equipment to facilitate the efficient loading and unloading of goods. This allows it to carry lots of containers. The ability to transport large quantities of goods in one trip makes cargo ships essential for global trade, connecting markets and economies around the world. A cruise ship, on the other hand, needs a sleek, streamlined hull. This design not only enhances the ship's speed, but also improves fuel efficiency, making long voyages more economical. The smooth lines of the hull also contribute to a more comfortable ride for passengers, reducing the impact of waves and rough seas. This helps it move through the water quickly and efficiently. Cruise ships are designed to provide a luxurious experience with amenities like swimming pools, theatres and fine dining. The streamlined hull ensures that passengers can enjoy their journey with minimal disruptions, gliding smoothly from one exotic destination to another. Section 3. Virtual voyages testing before building. Before a single piece of steel is cut, the ship makes a virtual journey. Using advanced computer simulations, engineers test the design. These simulations are like virtual sea trials. They subject the ship to various conditions. They simulate rough seas, high winds and heavy loads. Section 1. The backbone of giants marine-grade steel. A ship faces relentless challenges at sea. Crashing waves, salty spray, and the constant pressure of water demand materials that can endure. That's where marine-grade steel comes in. This isn't the steel used to build houses or cars. It's a special breed, engineered for strength, durability and resistance to corrosion. Section 2. Precision cutting, shaping the future vessel. The journey from giant steel plates to a ship's hull is a marvel of precision cutting. Armed with advanced technology, shipyard workers transform raw materials into the intricate pieces that will form the vessel. Giant plasma cutters, guided by computer-aided design files, slice through the steel plates with ease. Ready to assemble, a symphony of preparation. Before the cut steel pieces are ready for assembly, they undergo a series of crucial preparation steps. First, the edges of the cut pieces are smoothed and cleaned, removing any imperfections or burrs left behind by the cutting process. This ensures a tight, seamless fit when the pieces are welded together. Laying the keel, the ship's backbone. Imagine a ship as a giant skeleton. The keel is its backbone, the central beam that runs along the entire length of the vessel. Laying the keel is a symbolic moment in shipbuilding, marking the official start of the hull construction. Block by block, constructing a giant jigsaw puzzle. Building a ship's hull isn't like assembling a car on an assembly line. Instead of piecing together small components, shipbuilders work with massive sections called blocks. These blocks, weighing tens or even hundreds of tons each, are prefabricated in a separate area of the shipyard. Section 3. The dance of fire and skill, welding the hull's destiny. With the blocks in place, the true artistry of shipbuilding takes center stage: welding. This isn't your backyard welding project. It's a highly skilled trade, demanding precision, knowledge of metallurgy, and the ability to work in challenging conditions. Section 1. The heartbeat of the ship, powering the giant. The hull may be the ship's skeleton, but the engine room is its beating heart. This is where raw power comes to life, propelling the vessel across vast distances. Outfitting the engine room is a complex and meticulous process, involving the installation of massive engines, intricate piping systems, and sophisticated control panels. Section 2. Nerves of steel, electrical and control systems. Imagine the electrical system of a small city. That's the scale of what's involved in outfitting a modern ship. Miles of cables, thousands of electrical components, and sophisticated control systems bring the vessel to life, powering everything from navigation equipment to lighting to communication systems. Section 3. A floating city, outfitting for life and purpose. A ship is more than just an engine and a hull. It's a floating city, designed to accommodate the needs of its crew and fulfill its intended purpose. Outfitting the ship for life and purpose involves transforming the empty shell of the hull into functional and comfortable spaces. Section 1. A coat of armor shielding the steel giant. In the world of maritime engineering, the construction of a ship is a monumental task, involving countless hours of labor, precision and expertise. But the journey of a ship doesn't end once it leaves the dry dock. In fact, that's just the beginning of its life at sea. A ship's journey doesn't end with its construction. As it embarks on its maiden voyage, it faces the vast and unpredictable ocean. The open sea is a realm of beauty and danger, where the elements are both a ship's greatest ally and its most formidable adversary. The real battle begins at sea, where the relentless assault of saltwater, sun and marine life can quickly take a toll on even the strongest steel. Saltwater is particularly corrosive, eating away at the metal and weakening the ship's structure over time. The sun's UV rays can degrade materials, while marine life like barnacles and algae can attach themselves to the hull, increasing drag and reducing fuel efficiency. That's why painting a ship isn't just about aesthetics. It's about applying a coat of armor, a protective barrier against the elements. This process involves meticulous preparation, from cleaning and sanding the hull to ensure a smooth surface, to applying multiple layers of specialized marine paint. Each layer serves a purpose, from preventing corrosion to reducing the growth of marine organisms. The final result is a ship that's not only visually striking, but also fortified against the harsh conditions of the sea, ready to face the challenges of its journey with resilience and strength. Section 2. Beneath the surface. The science of anti-fouling. While the paint above the waterline protects the ship from the elements, a different battle is fought beneath the surface. Marine organisms like barnacles, algae, and mussels are constantly trying to attach themselves to the hull. This accumulation, known as fouling, creates drag, reducing the ship's speed, increasing fuel consumption, and even damaging the paint. From dry dock to open water, a choreographed descent. The day a ship first meets the water is a momentous occasion. It's the culmination of months or even years of planning, design and construction. But before the champagne bottles pop and the crowds cheer, the ship must navigate a delicate and carefully choreographed descent from dry dock to open water. A ship launch is more than just a technical milestone. It's a time-honored tradition steeped in symbolism and celebration. For centuries, shipbuilders have marked this occasion with ceremonies and rituals, invoking good luck and safe voyages for the vessel and its future crew. The shipyard fades into the distance as the ship, fresh from its launch, embarks on its first true voyage sea trials. This isn't a pleasure cruise, it's a rigorous examination, a test of the vessel's mettle, and the culmination of countless hours of design, engineering and construction. As the sea trials progress, the intensity ramps up. The ship is pushed to its limits, its systems tested under increasingly demanding conditions. Speed trials are conducted with the ship racing across the waves, its engines roaring to determine if it can achieve its design speed. From a simple blueprint to a steel giant conquering the waves, the journey of shipbuilding is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring connection to the sea. We've witnessed the meticulous design, the raw power of shipyard construction, the intricate dance of outfitting, and the rigorous tests of sea trials. Each step a testament to the skill, dedication and collaboration of countless individuals.
Hit that like button, subscribe and stay informed.